Your liver is important. It cleans your blood. It helps you digest food. It does many things for you. You need to keep your liver healthy. Many things can hurt your liver. Some are serious, like hepatitis. Others are more common, like fatty liver. But don't worry, there are natural ways to help. A fatty liver means there's too much fat in your liver. This condition is becoming increasingly common and can affect anyone, regardless of age or gender. The liver is a vital organ that processes nutrients and filters harmful substances from your blood. When too much fat builds up in the liver, it can lead to inflammation and damage. This can happen if you eat too much sugary food. Consuming high amounts of sugar, especially fructose, can lead to fat accumulation in the liver. Sugary snacks, desserts, and beverages are major contributors to this problem. Or drink too much alcohol. Alcohol is another significant factor that can cause fatty liver. Excessive alcohol consumption can overwhelm the liver's ability to process and break down fats, leading to fat buildup. There are two types, NAFLD. This is the most common type. NAFLD stands for non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It occurs in people who drink little or no alcohol. This type is often linked to obesity, insulin resistance, and metabolic syndrome. It's usually not serious if you take care of it. Lifestyle changes such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and maintaining a healthy weight can help manage and even reverse NAFLD. NASH. This is more serious. NASH stands for non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. It is a more severe form of NAFLD and involves liver inflammation and damage. It means your liver is inflamed. If left untreated, NASH can progress to more serious conditions, such as liver fibrosis, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. Early diagnosis and intervention are crucial to prevent these complications. Good news. There are simple, natural ways to support your liver's health and function. You can help your liver with natural remedies that are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. For instance, did you know that coffee is good for your liver? Studies have shown that drinking coffee can lower the risk of liver diseases. It helps protect it from damage by reducing inflammation and increasing antioxidant levels in the liver. Green tea is another excellent choice. It's full of antioxidants, which are crucial for fighting free radicals in your body. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which can damage liver cells. Including antioxidant-rich foods like fruits and vegetables in your diet can make a big difference. Apple cider vinegar is also beneficial. It can help you lose weight, which is good for your liver because excess weight can lead to fatty liver disease. Lastly, lemon water is a simple yet effective remedy. It helps your liver work better by stimulating the production of bile, which aids in digestion. Plus, it's refreshing and hydrating. Incorporating these natural remedies into your lifestyle can lead to a healthier liver and overall well-being. Remember, small changes can have a big impact on your health. So start today and give your liver the care it deserves with these simple, natural remedies. Your body will thank you. Lifestyle changes for a healthier liver. Your liver is a vital organ that plays a crucial role in your overall health. By making some simple lifestyle changes, you can significantly improve its function and keep it healthy for years to come. Changing how you live can make a big difference for your liver. Regular physical activity is one of the best things you can do. It helps to reduce liver fat and improve liver function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Exercise. Move your body every day. Whether it's a brisk walk, a jog, or a group workout session, staying active is key. Exercise not only helps your liver, but also boosts your overall well-being. Even a little bit helps. If you're new to exercise, start with light activities like stretching or yoga. Gradually increase the intensity and duration as you get more comfortable. Healthy diet. Eat lots of fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. A balanced diet rich in nutrients supports liver health. Incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your meals to ensure you're getting a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Limit sugar. Sugar is bad for your liver. Try to avoid it. Excessive sugar intake can lead to fatty liver disease. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or fruits instead of processed sugars. Manage weight. If you are overweight, losing even a little can help your liver. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces the risk of liver disease. Focus on gradual, sustainable weight loss through a combination of diet and exercise. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for liver health. Water helps to flush out toxins and keeps your liver functioning optimally. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Limit alcohol. Alcohol can be very damaging to your liver. Try to limit your intake or avoid it altogether. If you do drink, do so in moderation and always stay within the recommended guidelines. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact your liver. Practice stress-reducing activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for liver health. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night. Good sleep hygiene practices such as maintaining a regular sleep schedule and creating a restful environment can help improve your sleep quality. Regular checkups. Visit your healthcare provider regularly for checkups. Early detection of liver issues can make a big difference in treatment outcomes. Don't hesitate to discuss any concerns you have about your liver health with your doctor. By making these lifestyle changes, you can support your liver and improve your overall health. Remember, small steps can lead to big improvements. Start today and give your liver the care it deserves. Benefits and hope for fatty liver. These natural remedies and lifestyle changes can help your liver in many ways. You can reduce fat in your liver, decrease inflammation, and improve your liver function. Remember, taking care of your liver is important. You can improve your liver health naturally. Keep going and don't give up.